Hello everyone. So in the previous session we talked about the object diagram concept, right? That how to draw the object diagram, and we took the example of company where departments were there and person and contact information and all the other things. The same object diagram we will understand today with one other example, that is the order management system. Order management system. Of course, order management system is a big system, but we will just take some portion of this system to understand it. So if I talk about the order management system, means of course there are different entities like customer will be there, right? Customer will be there, then the admin or the manager, right? Entity. So these are the entities. And some, if we talk about the process, then there must be menu process, right? There must be order process, right? Customer can view the menu, customer can place the order, manager can view the menu, manager can view the order, right? All these things possible. So now let's draw the object diagram for this portion, the small portion we have taken. Of course this system can be a very big, many different processes you can add here, but let's focus on this portion. So here we have a customer, okay, and the order. Now customer can place the order, yes. Customer can view the order, customer can cancel the order. These are the things, or these are the actions customer can take, or these are the processes customer can execute with this main process order, right? So let's draw the object diagram for this scenario. So see, here we have the order management system, class diagram for the order management system. Now let's understand that how you can draw this. So very first there is a one class called customer, right? Customer is the class, and C is the object. C is the object, right? How to write the object? In the last session I did not tell you, but to write the object name, you need to write object name, then colon, and then class name, right? And sometimes you can see the underline as well, but yeah, colon is mandatory. So this is the way you can write the object and object name along with the class. So customer is the class which is associated with the order process. So order is also the class, right? Order is also the class. We know that one customer can place many orders, right? So here we can create the object for the order. So O1, O2, O3 are the objects of order process or the order class, and each order must have the number attribute, right? If order is there, means order number is there. And if you can notice that the value of each order is different, right? And we know that in the object diagram we focus on the attributes and the values, right? One more thing, you don't need to write all the orders because one customer can place multiple orders. Here we have just displayed the 3 orders. You can keep one order as well, just for the display purpose, that what type of values you are going to store in this particular attribute. That's the main motto behind the object diagram. Now next thing, order. So order can be a special order like VIP order or the fast or any special order, or like Jain food or that type of, so that we consider as a special order, or some party event order. And one is the normal order. So again, order can be bifurcated into different parts, like a special order or the normal order. This we can consider as a order category. So special order. So okay, it has another object, right? They have another object, and again they have the attribute number along with the values, right? So this way you can draw this. And the last one is you can show the relationship that customer is associated with order and order is associated with the special order. So one customer can place multiple orders, and that order can be a special order or the normal order, right? So this is just an example, another example to understand that how to draw the object diagram. So that's it for today.